Got some concert toms on the bench for a mate of mine that needs rewrapping. These are the Zola coat 70s type shell, I think, with a large bearing edge. I'll get them stripped down and we'll start some work. I'm just going to peel the wrap off now. The thing you've got to be careful about is the badge. The wrap will be really brittle and it'll probably split, and it'll also probably take a lot of the grain with it. So you've got to be careful, but to salvage this stuff is very, very difficult. And this one's already split, so I'm not going to be trying to save this one. This will obviously pull a few hairs out, so you have to expect to do a bit of filling on the shell. So in areas like this, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of wood filler on it. Also, on the base of these concert toms, it's really common to have some nicks and stuff like this, so I'll fill them as well. And I've also got to fill 2 of the holes so I can put a normal Superstar bracket on it. So for patching in the Zola coat, I'd recommend this stuff, Rust-Oleum Stone Effect. And if you use this pebble effect, it's the best one to blend it all in together. It does a really nice job. Any imperfections now that are on the inside of the shell have been repaired. The best part to show you, that's where the 3 holes were for the clip mount. On the inside now, you'd never even know they existed. The toms are wrapped now. They are slightly different from original, as I've got the Superstar style mounts on and the Swingstar lugs, but they've come out really, really nicely. So here they are mounted on a stand. The mounts are still in the original position, but I've actually moved the badges to the left and right, and I think that makes it look so much nicer. From the player's side, it's difficult to see, but the actual seam runs here, and this one runs here. So they're set up very similar to a Grand Star. So if you've got an old concert tom, all you need is some fresh wrap, a bit of spray, and you can make them brand new again.